The how-to video for Dek For Njpp. I'll show you how to use the system. First you're going to log in using the email address that you provided to NJPickPack and the password that was given to you. It'll take it about 10 to 15 seconds to bring up the initial interface. And you'll see a Customers tab, an Inventory tab, an Orders tab, and a History tab. In the menu system, you'll see a check for NJPP for changes and a create local database. You should only see the create local database if you have not created it before. You want to click this the first time that you run the system, and this will create a snapshotable database in your system. After you've created the database, then I recommend that you restart the application and log back in. Check for NJPP changes, and it will pull down a snapshot of all history that has happened with NJPickPack. Creating a new customer is very simple. You click the New button. You'll see this message. You enter in the information that you want for the customer. New customer. And we'll call him Fred and give him an address. Say he's from Eugene, Oregon. And you want to definitely give them an email address so that you can have something to look up the customer by. You can also look at the customer by account or any of the other fields available here. And then you hit save. And you will see the customer is now right here. If you click on it, it'll show you the address here. Inventory. This is your inventory that is in Pix for NJPickPack. All you have to do is select on any one of the items. You'll see the data below. You can check or modify the title, the description, and the weight. You cannot modify the quantity on hand, as this is the quantity on hand in the warehouse. The Orders tab, this is where you would create new orders. If you want to create a new order, the first thing you need to do is either look up the customer by any one of these fields. Press lookup. You can look up with nothing in there and it'll show you all your customers. You double click on the customer that you want. You select the item that you want to add to this order. You'll hit add order button. You'll see it show up here. If you need to remove it, then you select it. You hit remove. If you want a message to pop up on NJPickPack's screen when they go to ship, then you can put it here. If you want something to show on the invoice, then you will put it here. If you want special instructions to show in a different section on the pick list that's specific for NJPickPack, then you would put it here. And if you wanted to ship UPS, USPS, put that here, and then you press the Send to NJPP button. This will transmit the order to NJPickPack. You'll see this message when it's complete. When you press the History tab, you'll see a Look In and a Refresh History button. This gives you a date range to search by. This is going to be the start date is always going to default to the first day that you did anything with NJPickPack. So you're definitely going to want to look at that to make sure that you're not looking back 4 years or 10 years. You'll see the order here. This is the last order that was in here. If it has a tracking number, you can track it this way. If you double click on it, you'll see the details of the order. And that is about it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, send an email to sales@DEK Consulting.